Creative Sound Blaster Z. This is with a 5.1 setup and the sound is awful. Check for yourselves. Now I have SBX Pro Studio turned off, so only the front left and right speakers play. This mode is not bad, the sound is quite good. But let's turn on surround to see what happens. So what does surround do? Basically you get all the sound from the center speaker and all the rest of the speakers sound like crap. I'm going to disconnect my speakers behind my subwoofer and you will listen. This is with the center speaker off. And I'll disconnect the front two speakers too. Listen to this crap. Something like a reverb with echo and volume going up and down. So I'll connect the speakers again. And I'll turn off the surround. This is how all speakers should sound. But apparently Creative had other ideas. So tomorrow it's going back to the store and I've already bought an XFI card because it works. It just simply works. Thank you.